fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
So, ayan. Hello everyone, mga pangkayan. So, I got really tired tonight. So, hindi na ako nagluto ng ano. So, I just prepared pizza. Ayan siya mga 3 pizza siya mga pangka. But it's just the same flavor. Ayan. We bought this one in a supermarket. Very cheaper pizza but it's very, very yummy. Napaka-yummy niya. Ayan siya. Pizza. So, it's already prepared mga pangka yung binili namin. But you need to, still you need to put in a oven or you need to warm up. Hindi lang siya warm up, you need to prepare it. If you want it to be crispy, you can cook for 10 minutes if it's not frozen. Pero pag frozen siya mga pangga, cooked for 12 minutes kapag gusto mo crispy. But if you don't want it to be crispy, if you want it to be soft, you need to cook it for at least 8 minutes mga pangga. So, ayan siya. Kapag hindi naman siya frozen, you can just cook 7 minutes for soft. And kapag crispy, 10 minutes. Nasa yun na ba yun? 12 minutes, ganun. 10 minutes pala pag hindi siya frozen. So, ayan. So, for tonight dinner, I prepared 3 pizza for us. Of course, we're using the mayonnaise and ketchup. And of course, I made the baked potato. So, ayan siya mga pangga, yung baked potato natin. Diba? Yung look yummy. Mas healthy po talaga mga pangga kapag bake siya. I don't usually fry kasi mas masarap siya sa bake. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo mga pangga yung pizza na binili namin na napakamura. So, ito siya mga pangga. This one. So, ayan siya. It's Margherita flavor pala to siya mga pangga. Pizza Margherita. So, 3 in 1. So, this one is cost 3 euros. Parang 1 euro each. So, ayan siya. But it's very worth it to buy mga pangga. Kasi masarap talaga siya mga pangga. As in, ayan siya. 3 pizza and a fry. So, that's our dinner for tonight. Ayan, kain tayo mga pangga. Kain, kain, kain.